Advice po sa mga magbe-beach?
Yes.
Yes, you should wear sunscreen if you don't want to get burned. Kasi I'm burned. Burned. And magdala kayo ng sariling shampoo and sabon.
Okay.
Ikaw dito, Shin. Sige na, ikaw yung pambata namin. Let's go, Sandy! Let's go, Sandy! Galing, galing, galing! Nagugulat!
Sabi mo ako sa ano dito?
If I would be an animal, I would like to be a cat or a tiger. Because I want to be a cat, you can meow. If you're a tiger, you can roar.